Game time, fellas. We didn't catch anything yesterday, but we're gonna give it everything we got today. Let's see what happens. Less windy this morning than it was yesterday morning. Yes. Stay on. It's not huge, but something. Oh, thank God. It's gonna have to be a lot bigger than that, but at least it's something right now. All right. I have to get bigger than that, but at least, at least at the start. Exact same size. Almost at 14 and a half. Actually, no. Close his mouth. Shorter. You ain't gonna help, buddy. But that's 2, so. That is sick. I don't know if he's gonna be any bigger, but I saw a lily pad moving over there. I don't think it's gonna be any bigger. But anyways, that was cool because I saw a lily pad jiggling and I pitched over there and there he is. That's another 14 and a quarter. I need a bigger one of you. Bye. Oh, I'm kind of glad I found some fish anyways because I didn't find anything yesterday, so. He might stop me out. He did. That's a better one. Yeah. $15. Bye.